Good morning, all of you. The continuation of yesterday class. See, write the numbers in the short form. What is meaning of write the numbers in short form? What is meaning of short form? Simple. See, ones, sorry, 87, okay. 3,407, 3,407, 3,407, sorry, 3,407. This is the short form of the expand form. See, 10,000, 2,351. What is meaning of 1,000 plus 10,000, 2,351. Therefore, 10 plus 2, 12,351. 351 ones, tens, hundreds. 351. This is 12,351. Next, go to third sum. 30,525. Okay, ones, tens, hundred is okay, right? At the same time, 1,000, 10,000. 1,000 plus is not. Therefore, 30,000. 30,000. See, 30,000. 525. 525. 30,525. Next, go to 4. Therefore, 90,900. Sorry, 90,000. 9,999. Okay, how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, right. This is 9. How many nines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nines. This is 99,999. The short form of expand form. Thus, the short form of expand form. Go to fifth Roman. Write the expand form. Quite opposite. Yeah. Here is number is given. Write the expand form like this. Like this. See, write the expand form from the numbers. See here, 4,000 ones, tens, 100,000. Okay, 4,000. 4 after 4, how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. Plus, take 100. After 3, how many? 1, 2. 2 zeros. Plus 4, 40. Plus 8 ones. This is expand form of simplest form. Go to 22,222. 20,000. First of all, you take 20,000. After 1,000, 2,000. After 2, how many? 1, 2, 3. 2 zeros. Plus 200. Plus 20. Plus 2. Plus 2. Like you confuse. 20,000 plus 2,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 2. This is like ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 10,000. Go to the 75,025. 75,025. First of all, see ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. In 100 plus is 0. Okay, leave that. Therefore, 75,000 like 70,000. 5,000, 100 is 0 plus 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5. 30,000 to 14. 30,000 to 14 means 30. 1,000 is 0 plus 200 plus 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4. Okay, this is the complete of 1.2. Go to the exercise 1.3. 1.3. Here is first Roman. What is the first Roman? Write the numbers using comma. This is the Indian system. Write the numbers using comma. For example, what is the Indian system? First of all, you take after 3 is left to right. Right to left. First of all, you take 3 digits, comma, after 2, 2, 2. What is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore. 1 crore, 12 lakhs, 45,670. 670. So next go to, first of all, right to left. First of all, you take the comma after 3 digits. After continuously 2, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore. 2 crores, 24 lakhs, 2,151. See, next, third. First of all, right to left. First of all, after 3 digits, you take comma. After 2, continuously. Therefore, 3 crores, 6 lakhs, 8,712. Here is, see, first of all, you take right to left. First of all, you take after 3 digits, continuously 2 digits with comma. Divide with comma. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. 19 crores, 6 lakhs, 19 crores, 6 lakhs, 19 crores, 3 lakhs, 820. Go to the second Roman. Sorry, just I remembered, I forget this. Sorry, 19 crores, 3 lakhs, 8,020. Like, go to the second Roman, write the numbers in words. Write the numbers in words like this, like for third Roman. Right, for example, 34,025, 34,000, 30, 34,000, 25, 34,025. Next, the number first of all divide with comma. Right. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 7 lakhs, 9,000, 7 lakhs, 9,115 or 115. 115. See, remaining 2 is homework. I think you can do. First of all, divide with comma. The number divide with comma. Right to left. First of all, you take first 3 digits. After continuously divide with comma, 2 digits. Here ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. Here is 47 crores, 60 lakhs, 317. At the same time, see, 3, 2, 6 crores, 18 lakhs, 7,000. Okay, na? Remaining 2 is homework. This is your part. Go to third Roman. Same. The quite opposite of second Roman. What is second Roman? Write the numbers in words. What is the third Roman? Write the numbers in figures. Figures. See here. Read carefully. 4 lakhs, 57,000, 4 lakhs, 15,000, 4 lakhs, 57, 4 lakhs, 57,400. See, this is 4 lakhs, 57,400. Like 60 lakhs, 2,000, 60 lakhs, 2,700, 2,700, 700, 75 divided with comma 60 lakhs 2775. Next go to fourth row. 60 crores 60 lakhs 60,600. This is 60 crores 60 lakhs 60 crore 60 lakhs 60,600. This is like we divide with comma. First 3 after 2. 60 crores 60 lakhs 60,600. This is homework. This is for you. I think you do. Use fourth row. Write the numbers in expand form. Write the numbers in expand form. What is expand form? Before you discussed it. Fifth Roman. You write the expand form of. Take a number and write in the expand form like this. Right? See. First of all, number divided with comma. Therefore, 6,40,156. 6 lakhs. For example, 6. After how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. Plus. You take 40,000. After 4, after how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Plus. Next. This is 3. Yes. Right, 4 plus 100. 100 means see 100 plus 50 plus 6. That is 6,40,156. 156. Go to this. First of all, the number divided with comma. First of all, you do digits after 3 digits after 2 continuation only. See. Therefore, 1 crore, 25 lakhs, 30,000, 275, 1 crore, 1. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 25 lakhs, 25 lakhs. For example, you take 20. 2 after how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros. Plus 5. 5 after how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 zeros. Plus take 3, 30,000, 3 out 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros plus 200 plus 70 plus 5. This is the expand form of 1 crore 25 lakhs 30,000 to 75. Go to 4. What is 4? Like first of all you divide with comma 2. Therefore 75 crores 80 lakhs 19,202. Therefore 75 crores 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 zeros 3 4 5 6 7 8 plus 5 out how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus 8 80 lakhs 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 6 plus 19,000 plus 10,000 1 after 4 plus 9,000 plus 200 plus 2. This is the expand form of 75 crores 80 lakhs 19,202. Next, second problem. Right. Therefore, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs. Therefore, 63 lakhs, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros, plus 3 after 5 zeros, plus 20,000, plus 500. This is like, go to fifth Roman. What is the fifth Roman? Compared to 4, fifth Roman is expand form in shortest form. Already we have discussed before 10 minutes back. Fourth Roman like Fourth Roman. What is the fourth Roman? The expand form to shortest form. The expand form shortest to short form. This is expand form shortest to short form. What is short form? C divided with comma. 50 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 20,000, 8,000, 524. 524. That is called 54 lakhs, 28,000, 524. 524. At the same time, second 6 crores, 40 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 20,000, 501. 501. Like 6 crores, 43 lakhs, 43 lakhs. At the same time, 20,000, 501. 501. See, at the same time, remaining 3 and 4 are homework. 3 and 4 are homework. I think you can do. Go to 6. Which is larger among these two? Use greater than symbol and write. Use the greater than symbol. Which is big, which is small. Like this already we had discussed before classes. See, first of all, divide with comma. Number divided with comma. This is also. Like, how many digits in the right side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is 6. Which is big? 7 digit number is big. Right, this is. Right, this. Greater than symbol. Use the greater than symbol. The number is 18 lakhs 71,964. Therefore, 4 lakhs 67,612. Now, use the greater than symbol. Next, go to second. C. Number divided with comma. First of all, number divided with comma. This is like. Also, this is like. C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is also 9 digit number. Okay. Here is 9 digit number. Here is 9 digit number. Go to the cross. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. Like 14 crores, 14 crores. 35, 25. This is 35. 35 is big number. 14 crores, 35 lakhs, 10,300. Here is 14 crores, 25 lakhs. This is like. At the same time, go to 7. Which is smaller among these two? Which is smaller among these two? Use the symbol less than symbol. Less than symbol. What is meaning of less than symbol? Which is small? Which is small? Here is like 99,999. Here is 2 lakhs. Here is 2 lakhs. Here is 2 lakhs. This is number change. 99,999. Therefore, 2 lakhs 50. This is less than symbol.Use the less than symbol. Go to second Roman. First of all, divide with comma. Divide with comma. Like 1. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is okay. 7, 7. Okay, right. First of all, you go to ones. Tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. First of all, 13 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Okay, right. Here is 15,000, 49,000. This is small. Like this is small. See, this is not this. Like, change the number. Therefore, 13 lakhs, 49,785. Therefore, less than 13 lakhs 50,050. This is right. Go to 8th Roman. Write the any 10 numbers with the digit 5 in cross, digit 5 in cross, 2 in lakhs, 1 in 10,000, 6 in tens, and 3 in ones. Keep any digit remaining, keep any digits in the remaining places. Like what is the number? 10 numbers. 10 numbers. First of all, you would draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 10. Therefore, 5 in cross. So 5 in cross. Therefore, this is like, see, this is wrong way. Like I think, write any 10 numbers. Write any 10 numbers. Write any 10 numbers. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, like any 10 numbers. Here is, this is wrong way. Don't take the 9th and 10th. 5 digit, 5 digits, 5 in cross, 2 in lakhs, 1 in 10,000, 6 in tens, and 1 plus is right. 5 is 5, 4, 2, 1, 8, 6, 3. Like same 2, 1, 6, 3. Here is 5, 1, 2, 1, 6, 3. Don't change the 1 place, 10 place, at the same time 10,000 place, lakhs place, crores place. Don't change this number. Don't change this number. 3, 6, 1, 2, 5. Don't change this number, this places, this places. This place, write in 10 numbers. Like for example, see, here is 8, here is 7, here is 5. Next number, here is 7, here is 6, here is 4, like this. At the same time, here is 6, here is 3, 2, like this. Thus like this, you write the 10 numbers. You write the 10 numbers. I write 3 numbers, remaining 7 numbers you will write. This is correct way, this is wrong way. Sorry for the inconvenience. Like according to question, write the 10 numbers. Write the 10 numbers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't change the 5. Digit 5 in cross. Don't change. 2 in lakhs, 1 in 10,000, 6 in tens, 3 in ones. Don't change the 5, 2, 1, 6, 3. Don't change. Don't change. Don't change these places. Don't change of these places. Like for example, see, one more, like, therefore 5, 2, 1, 2, 1, 6, 3. Don't change the 5, 2, 1, 6, 3. You write. For example, see, remaining places. You take any digit. 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 2, 1. No change. Don't change this. 2, 1. Same time. 5, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3. Like this type of, this type. Like don't change the cross in 5s. No, lakhs into 10,000 in 1, 10,000 in 1, 10 plus in 6, 1 plus in 3. Don't change the places. Remaining, keep the digits in the remaining places like this. 4, 3, 2, 6, 5, 1. Like these numbers, you write remaining 5 numbers. You write remaining 5 numbers. You write the remaining 5 numbers.